A St. Catherine community is this evening seeking answers after a fish vendor from Old Harbour was arrested for possession of a large sum of cash. The man was picked up last Friday and up until Tuesday evening was in police custody in Portmore. Giovanni Dennis has the details.
The scene that greeted our team shortly after we arrived at the Old Harbour Bay Fishing Market in St. Catherine on Tuesday. Vendors are incensed that this vendor, Troy Taylor, was arrested by police without charge since last Friday. It's reported that he had just over $800,000 cash in his possession.
Then take him up on him and go over my yard and take $820,000 fine. And then go kick off him door over there. Them should never do it.
Fish we sell, all we sell fish. I tell all me did, I tell officer say our fish all we sell. The policeman say no take no talk. No take no talk for nobody.
They not give him no bail, they not come and say nothing to none away. The Jason squad is having him there locked up and whatsoever. We would like now to know what can be done about this.
His common law partner, Lisa, says she was prevented from delivering clothes and food and was not allowed to speak with him on Tuesday.
Oh, I get a phone call from me, I get to see him from me, I go over there, pay, put up, me carry food yesterday morning. They say they not take it, me carry clothes, they not take it. When he get locked up in long, I one suit of clothes he get, and after on Saturday morning, and 3 pack of biscuit and 2 juice and water. I know that done from the same day.
We also visited his home where we saw his mother.
They had corona, so they come, and then come through when we look and push me and then go. They're in a fridge, they're in a drawer, and then push off the door. Them party rotten.
We saw indications of a dislodged door that the family says was kicked open as police pressed Taylor to show them where he stored cocaine. The family denies he does any illegal activity.
I fish me know, from me know him till long, I fish me know myself. Me never hear nobody find panning say him broke me sing rap that. Never from me know him till long.
We bring to send a lawyer. Lawyer call the policeman and then answer no phone. We go for him this morning, I see him till nobody no come on duty. You see me? So we want justice with the youth. Because youth and a bad youth, a fishy youth sell.
When we contacted head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Senior Superintendent Christopher Phillips, he said he would check on the case.